Hello everyone, Deb Floros for JJB Beads, and today I'm creating a pair of Heishi Fun memory wire choker necklaces. I selected a couple strands of the amazing Heishi beads available at jjbbeads.com, and I used just a few beads from the Tokyo Nights Color Trends bead mix. I used one round of necklace memory wire and created a loop at one end, and then I strung the Heishi beads right onto the memory wire from the strand. You can push your memory wire into those large hole beads, pull them onto your memory wire, and pull that strand away. I decided to do 4 accent beads in a beautiful bright pink with these lovely blue and white Heishi. I then pushed on the last section of my Heishi beads, and I'll create a loop at that end. You'll use a little round nose plier to create a loop. And you'll need to cut away any excess so that it doesn't scratch you or catch on to anything that you might be wearing. For my second necklace, I decided to do the same size, and I again cut one round of that necklace memory wire, selected a different Heishi, and created that loop, strung it on right from the strand. And I decided for this one to create a focal section in the middle. So I pushed on some of those Heishi. Oh gosh, I love them. They're such pretty colors. And then I selected a few beads from the bead mix. I grabbed a purple pearl, 3 rhinestone rondelles, and another purple pearl. And I just love the way that these colors and textures add such great interest with these amazing Heishi. So I strung on the rest of the Heishi for this particular necklace, and then I did the same thing at this end. And by the way, please use memory wire cutters. Don't use your good cutters on memory wire. So this is what the pair looks like, and I think they look great together, or they could be worn separately. I decided though that I wasn't quite done, and I think we need some accent beads at either end of our necklaces. And that makes these necklaces reversible. So you could wear the opening at the front or the opening at the back. So grab some head pins, and if you're going to use those teardrop beads, you will need a little rondelle or something at the end so the bead doesn't come off that head pin. You'll slide your loop onto your loop of your memory wire necklace and then just do a quick wire wrap. And I think these green crystals look so cool on this piece. Then I grabbed just some small faceted crystals for the other one in a bright red color. And I think, again, just the color and texture is really, really fun. So here's our 2 necklaces. You can stack them together, wear them as a pair, or give one to a friend. To get everything you need to make this project, go to jjbbeads.com, pick up some Heishi, pick up some beads, and have a great time. Thanks for watching.